Hi, welcome to Kitchen Revelations. Today's recipe is extremely simple. It's a 2-ingredient ice cream. By looking at the recipe, you would have guessed one of the ingredients. This ice cream is really simple, easy, and does not take much time. It tastes awesome, more than the store-bought ice creams. So let's quickly get on to the recipe. Into a blender jar, add 1 cup ripe mangoes cut into small pieces. Blend well without adding water. The mangoes have turned out into a smooth creamy paste. Now take some pulp out of it and keep it aside. Next is the second and the last ingredient, that is condensed milk. I have added here half cup condensed milk. Now transfer this ice cream mix into a container or ice cream molds. Now add the reserved pulp which was kept aside into this ice cream mix and gently swirl. This is optional. It is done to get slight shades and flavor of mango pulp in your ice cream. Now before refrigerating your ice cream, please place a plastic wrap or a cling film in the container in which you are storing your ice cream. The plastic wrap should be touching the surface of the ice cream. This will ensure that ice crystals are not formed on top of it. Now refrigerate your ice cream in the freezer for minimum 4 hours. It's been 4 hours. Now let's check out how the ice cream has turned out. So our ice cream is ready. Scoop them out and serve them in ice cream bowls. You can see for yourself that the ice cream has turned out to be really thick and creamy. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.